Now you have the chance to bring a laser cutting machine home. And never let metal limit your home DIY. This is how you bring in E700. 5 cables, 1 button, ready to cut. Steel up to 3.0 millimeters. Copper up to 1.5 millimeter. Aluminum up to 2 millimeters. Ultra high precision, 0.02 millimeter. Every cut perfectly precise. Cutting and engraving design your favorite texture or style. No buttons, just pure touch control. Tap once, the rest is precision and power. Control your laser cutter right from your phone. Pause, check, adjust anytime. Build, repeat. All with one compact machine, the E700.